Long flight.
Yes.
How many hours?
Oh, almost 30.
30.
Yeah. We wanted
Just
to-
arrived.
no, a month.
A month?
Yeah, we've been here a while. We have a few more days.
Oh, yeah. Amazing. Wow. So just in Korea?
Yes.
Just in Korea for 30 days?
Yeah. Yeah.
So how many days to go?
Until Tuesday. On Tuesday we go back home.
Fly back?
Yes.
Wow.
Yeah.
I'm a YouTuber. Now, what's your general information about Korea?
Oh, it was lovely.
Lovely.
Yes, we've been wanting to come here for a
Oh.
long time.
Oh, it's the first time.
First time.
So next year will you come back?
Yeah.
Oh, amazing.
She wants to stay here.
Argentina. Wow.
But we're living in Brazil now.
Living in Brazil.
Yeah.
Oh.
Last 5 years we've been living
Oh, your president, Brazil's president came to Korea. Yes, a few days ago. Yes.
yeah.
Okay. Hello, Jenny. Wait. So, just in Seoul for 30 days.
We went to other towns, to Jeonju.
We went around Korea.
Great.
We visited Busan.
Great.
And
Jeju.
Jeju. Or Busan.
There's a lot more little towns we wanted to see at no time.
Right. Among the Korean foods, which one was the most delicious? Huh?
Bumbapan.
Bungeoppang. Bungeoppang. Oh, amazing. Wow, bungeoppang. It's the first time I interview the foreigners on the street, usually like this. Bungeoppang is the first time, the most amazing. Take a seat. So you look like a student. Are you a student?
Yes.
What do you study?
She's still 13.
Yeah.
She's in school.
High school.
Almost high school. Are you ninth grade? I don't know what high school here is. She's 13.
13. 13 is middle school.
Middle.
So,
I'm starting high school now.
do you like,
This year's
what do you like among the subject?
math.
Math. You are very strong in numbers.
Really strong.
So what do you want to be in the future?
She wants to dance. She came for a JYP audition.
Oh. She is so beautiful, and maybe you'll be a superstar. If you really want to be, you can live. That's right. Sure. I was born during the Korean War. I'm 76. I was born during the Korean War. So I speak Japanese also. Korean, 3 languages. I study all the time, not even now. And the YouTuber, and the interview on the street, like this.
Wow.
Yeah.
Experience. You have a lot to tell.
Sure.
Yeah.
I think at the younger age, we must encourage them to be their dream.
Yeah.
That's very important, I think.
Yes. That's why we came.
Yeah. After the Korean War, in a short period of time, Korea is started from scratch.
Yeah.
After the war, nothing.
Yeah. I heard. Yeah.
The best thing was always our parents emphasized education, learning all the time.
Yeah.
That's my
Yeah.
I learned it.
That's good.
What is your name?
Yeah, I will show you.